today with another video, and today I'm going to be showcasing this ginger color unit from the company Beauty Forever, and this is what it looks like, y'all. I'm a little bit nervous. I ain't never been this bold before, but you know, we're gonna give it a try. But this is what the hairline is looking like. Let me see if I can focus on that. This is what the hairline is looking like on my mannequin head. I did go in and just slightly plug, but not do too much because I felt like it really wasn't needed. 13x4 lace frontal wig. This one is in the length 24 inches. And this is a body wave texture. I mean, you guys can see it still has a little bit of a wave pattern after I washed it. And I go in and do any bleaching to the knots. I just went ahead and washed it using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I'm not really sure about the density on this unit, but I want to say it looks to be about 150%. Of course, I am going to make sure to leave all of the details down below for you. Show you guys what it looks like straight out of the package. I'll leave some unboxing on the side. This unit comes with 2 combs on the side. Also comes with a comb in the back, your adjustable straps. And then that is what the parting space area looks like. There's a little bit of lace on the back. I am not sure if I'm gonna have to tint the unit. This lace does seem very stretchy, but I did not want to add any tint spray because I didn't want it to come off looking too dark. So powder may work out, you know, once I go ahead and adhere it down to my head. This is also an average cap size. So I'm just gonna try it on real quick. Okay, I might have to push my cap back. There it goes. All right, so this is what it is looking like, and yes, it is this vibrant. It is this vibrant. This does seem to be a little bit on the lighter side, but I don't know if I'm gonna have to go in and do any tinting. I think I might not go in and do any tinting. And then let's look at the parting space. Parting space area does look good. Like I said, there was no need for me to go in and bleach the knots just because of the way it is looking. Now, at first I was thinking about just straightening this hair out, but I might add some curls to it just to kind of feel like myself. I might just go ahead and add some curls to it because I feel like if I just leave it straight, it's not really going to do anything for me. So yeah, now it's not looking like nothing, but of course, you know, your girl gonna try to make it look like something. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit together, and then of course I will be back so you guys can see the final look and also hear my final thoughts on this unit. Let this lace marinate because one, it's a little bit big on my head, so y'all see me work in sections. I made sure to spray underneath the lace on, you know, the sides, and then I sprayed on top. I did go in with a little bit of tint spray, and I'm happy that I did because I felt like it was going to be a little bit too light. I was very light-handed with this. This is the Tailored Crowns lace overlay in caramel. So we'll see how it turns out once it dries all the way down. If it's too dark, then I'm just gonna have to go in with a little bit of lighter powder, but I don't feel like it's going to be. But yeah, I'm gonna have to let this lace marinate for a little bit. I finished this unit just in time. It is almost time for me to go wait in the car ride line for my baby girl. So let me go ahead and give y'all my thoughts on this unit. It took me a while to get this together, especially to curl it, because I didn't want to do like these super big curls because I wasn't sure how the hair was going to hold a curl. And as you guys can see, this hair did drop. The curls did drop. I would probably go in more with a wand curler, or you can go in with a curling iron just to get some tighter curls. But they did start to drop quick, and I had to keep recurling the front of this unit because I wanted it to flow a certain way and look like, you know, I had a little bit of bangs and everything going on. And the hair is very soft, but like I said, it's so soft that I feel like the curls are going to drop quick. So you may want to go in with some type of freeze spray or holding spray so that the curls can stay a little bit longer. As you guys can see, this does not have a dark root, so you know the color starts all the way at the top. And I did have to go in with some of my powder. I used the light warm brown for the parting space, and I also use it for the front of the hairline, because even though I added a little bit of tint spray, once it dried down and melted in, it still was coming off just a tad bit dark right up in here. It wasn't really dark everywhere else, but I wanted to lighten it up to make everything just look more realistic. So that did help me out. I also didn't have any issues with flattening the top of this unit out. It lays very flat. As you guys can see, a little bit of heat did help it. I also went in the front of the hairline and just added a little bit of baby hairs. I did curl them a little bit to make it more natural. And of course, if you are not a fan of, you know, this up here, you can always kind of comb it out a little bit more just so it can seem more wispy, or you can always, you know, push it back. Like it's not a big deal. I don't really care for them there too much, so I'm probably gonna just kind of push mine back. Look, I'm redoing the whole wig. I just said I had a little bit of time. So baby hair, no baby hair, I feel like it's going to look good either way. Length on this is pretty long. Like I said, I'm not really sure about the density, but I do feel like it's more 150%. If some long hair don't care, so if you're not a fan of long hair, then you might want to skip out on this length. And then as far as the density goes, I do feel like this is more on the like 150% side. I had to kind of move some hair around right up in here because it does feel a little bit thinner. So that's my only concern. If you want to utilize the parting space literally all the way, then you are going to have to end up using some of the hair to hide those tracks. Other than that, I mean, this color cute. Is it really me? I'm not really sure. It's something that's going to have to grow on me, and maybe it's because the root area is not dark. I'm not sure, but it's a really vibrant color. Let me know what y'all think about this, for real, for real. If you are feeling this wig, I'm gonna make sure to leave the link down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.